Good morning, my dears. How are you? Okay. So, what have we discussed in the last class? What were we discussing? Do you remember? Yes, we were discussing about a boxer, a lady boxer named Mary Kom, isn't it? Do you remember? Okay, very good. So, the name of the chapter is The Indomitable Mary Kom. The Indomitable Mary Kom. So, we were discussing about Mary Kom in the last class. Now, who is Mary Kom? She is a lady boxer. She was a lady named Mary Kom. She is the very famous fighter, boxing champion of India. She is a lady from India. She is a famous boxer. And she was born into a poor family in Manipur state. She was born into a poor family. She struggled a lot in her life. In her small life, she struggled a lot. She helped her parents in the field for agricultural jobs, and she was very interested in sports, and she was very much interested in sports and games and all like that. She participated all the games and sports activities that happened in her school, and she went to play with boys. All this we have discussed in the last class, isn't it? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next portion, the continuation of the story. So we have discussed till page number 31. Now we are moving to page number 32. In between we have discussed about the trainer of Mary Kom. What was his name? Dinko Singh, isn't it? Narjit Singh. Narjit Singh was the trainer of Mary Kom. That also we discussed in the last class. Now, page number 32. Take page number 32 in your English textbook and listen to me carefully, okay? Within a year, she started winning national and international awards and titles. When she started boxing, Mary kept it a secret from her parents. It was only when her photograph appeared in the newspaper after she won the state boxing championship in 2000 that she told them that she was a boxer. She knew her parents would not like her to take up a sport that could lead to serious injuries. So within a year, so she started training under Narjit Singh, and within 1 year, she became very famous. She started winning awards. So many awards she won. International awards, titles, national awards, so state level and district level, world level, country level, everything she became. And international awards, she got international awards, national awards, and so many titles. So she became very famous. When she started boxing, Mary kept it a secret from her parents. What happened? When she started boxing, Mary didn't tell her parents that she is a boxer. So she went for boxing. She kept it a secret from her parents. She hid it from her parents. She didn't tell the parents that she is a boxer. She kept it a secret from her parents. It was only when her photograph appeared in a newspaper after she won the state boxing championship in 2000 that she told them that she was a boxer. And in 2000, she won a championship trophy. She became a champion, and her photograph came in the newspaper in 2000. In 2000, her photograph came in the newspaper. When her parents saw the picture of their daughter in the newspaper, only they knew that she was a boxer. Only then Mary told her parents that she is a boxer. Till that time, Mary kept it as a secret. Mary, because why did she kept it as a secret? Because her parents didn't like this. Why they don't like that? Because this is a serious game, isn't it? This is a serious game. She may get injuries, isn't it? Her body may get weak and she may get injuries. So her parents didn't like that. Mary showed unstoppable love for the game. She won the IMA Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship 5 times. She also won 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal in the Asian Women's Boxing Championships between 2003 and 2012. Besides winning a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam and many other titles. So Mary showed unstoppable love for the game. Mary had a very interest for the game. She was very interested in boxing and she won so many awards. She got gold medals, silver medals, everything like that. She became very famous. She got so many awards, international awards, national awards, gold medals, silver medals, and she had won titles also. Mary made India proud by winning a bronze medal at the London Olympics in 2012. So, what happened in 2012? Mary won the bronze medal at the London Olympics. So, the Olympics was held in London in 2012 and there Mary won bronze award from India. So, India got bronze. Because of whom? Because of who? Because of Mary Kom. She also became the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014 in Incheon, South Korea. After she won the gold, she was quoted as saying, "I want to give this medal to my country." So what happened in South Korea? In 2012, she won London Olympics. In 2014, she became the first Indian woman to win boxing, to become a boxer. So from first time from India, a woman boxer became a champion. After she won the gold, she was quoted as saying, "I want to give this medal to my country." So when she got the award, what did she say? "I want to give this to my country, to my India. I want to give this to my country, my India." However, the journey was not easy. She had to make numerous personal sacrifices to reach her goals. When asked by a reporter what the lowest point in her life was, she recalled it was the agony at having to part from her children during the long training camps. So, she had so many hurdles, so many problems she had to face, but she went on with her dream. So, she didn't give up. She had so many problems. Numerous means number of. Many problems she had to face, but she became a strong woman. When a reporter, in an interview, a reporter asked what was the lowest point in her life, what was the most unforgettable, most sad point, she answered that it was the agony, it was the suffering. What is agony? Suffering. Suffering and having to part from her children during the long training camps. So, when a reporter asked Mary what is her very sad moment, she answered that when she had training, she had to go and stay for a long time, for a long period. So many days she has to stay. Oh, isn't it? So she cannot see her children. She is a mother and she cannot see her children for so many days. So for long days she cannot see her children, and that was the saddest thing happened to her. Mary was honored with the Arjuna Award in 2003, the Padma Shri in 2006 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. She was also the first amateur athlete to win the Padma Bhushan in 2013. Her autobiography, Unbreakable, describes her journey and struggles towards making her dreams come true. So, Mary was honored with Arjuna Award in 2003, Padma Shri in 2006, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. So, these are all very big awards, very large, very big awards, and Mary won all these awards. In 2003, Arjuna Award, in 2006, Padma Shri, in 2009, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. She was the first amateur athlete to win the Padma Bhushan in 2013. So, she got Padma Bhushan in 2013. What do you mean by amateur? Amateur means someone who does something because he or she enjoys it. Mary is a boxer and she enjoys it. So, she do boxing, isn't it? So, she is a amateur boxer. So, she won Padma Bhushan in 2013. Her autobiography, Unbreakable, describes her journey and struggles towards making her dreams come true. So, what do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography is a story written by someone about their own life. If I write my life story, it is an autobiography. story, it will be autobiography, isn't it? My life story I am writing in a book is called autobiography. So Mary also had such an autobiography. Mary Kom also had an autobiography named Unbreakable. What is the name of the autobiography written by Mary Kom? Unbreakable. So in Unbreakable, she describes her journey. She describes her struggles and her awards and her life, and her entire life she describes in the autobiography. An animal rights activist and a supporter of PETA India, her message to everyone is one of the best ways to knock out cruelty towards animals is to teach compassion to young people. So, an animal rights activist and a supporter of PETA India. So, she is an animal rights activist. She loves animals. She loves animals and she speaks for them. So, in her message for that was one of the best ways to knock out cruelty towards animals is to teach compassion to young people. So she said that if we want to wipe out, if we want to erase or delete the cruelty towards animals, so many people are doing cruelty towards animals. They are becoming very cruel. So if you want to stop the cruelty towards animals, you have to teach young people to be compassionate, to be very kind, to be very to have love for animals also, to have love for other people also, to be very kind and polite. Okay, is that clear for you? So is the story, the indomitable Mary Kom, is clear for you? Okay, who is Mary Kom? She is a boxer. The famous Indian boxer, lady boxer is Mary Kom, and her story is the thing that we have learned today. Is it clear? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Okay. I will send you the notes. You have to write it and send me back. Okay. Thank you.